back to my channel, and we're gonna show you how lipstick is being colored done. So welcome my cousin, she's gonna help us today. You see, we like already started, the color is pink.
So guys, we have this pink small lipstick, and we have the gloss. Don't think we're wasting because these stuff like are not expired. It's like not
It's like,
old, it's little.
yeah, it's empty almost.
So I'm gonna just get it ready to be squeezed.
We will
Okay,
be by you
we'll be
guys
right
now.
back. Guys, I got
And
the
now,
first one ready. Watch the magic. Mustn't we first put in the pink one?
yeah,
We first gonna put in the pink one if you
the
didn't hear
emptiest one of
them.
the lip. So you see, just press it out. Dig it in there. Guys, I'm trying my best to squeeze out this empty one. You might go crazy. Squeeze out. Now we're doing the gloss. The lip gloss.
The gloss is always the best. If you can't taste, in real life, this one is beautiful, but in the camera, it's also beautiful. If you can't see, why did you take off the gloss?
Everything.
Guys, you took off the
Okay,
gloss.
guys, I'm gonna show you how the color looks on us. I will be back right now. This is how the color looks on us. You see? I'm such a funny cousin, guys. Okay, so bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Bye. Say bye to the people.
I thought
Uh,
that doesn't work.